Hi folks, this is all the fruit, and today I have two mangoes, one organic one and one non-organic one, and I want to see which one is tastier. They are both from the same shop in Germany. The organic one costs only like 15% more, that's almost nothing for organic fruit. They are both from Europe, from the Costa Tropical, the most tropical coast on the European mainland and the only area on the European mainland that has had a commercial mango production for decades now. It's in Spain, and yeah, organic is of course a big debate. I think most people would agree that organic stuff is cleaner and healthier. And especially with mangoes, we have a big problem with pesticides. Actually, I know a lot of people, not only in Europe, but mostly in Asia, who say, I don't eat mangoes because they have too many pesticides. They are too polluted. Basically, commercial mango cultivation means you need a lot of toxins, a lot of poisons to combat different pests. In Spain, in Europe, well, it has kind of a reputation of being a little bit sloppy with agrochemicals. And since pretty much all the European mangoes here in Germany come from Spain, yeah, I guess organic is really better. What else can I say? Well, I bought them both about a week ago. They were about half ripe. This was a bit more ripe. I waited for a week. I think now they are perfectly ripe. Most mangoes in German supermarkets are sold completely unripe. Some very expensive ones are sold ripe. And I think the trick is to find the half-ripe ones, which would ripen perfectly within a week or so. The organic one seems to be a bit more ripe. They are only red and orange colors. Quite ripe. I think the non-organic one, well, it is already perfectly soft. Still has a lot of green. I guess some of this green will not disappear even when it's kind of ripe. But the screen shows it was picked a bit more underripe than the organic one. Let's start with the anorganic one. Well, here it says faserarm of poor in fibers, but you can see it still has some fibers. The fruit is already soft. It has a nice smell of mango. Now let's try it. A mild sweetness, a mild flavor. Really nice and tasty. Nothing overwhelming, but a good mango. Could be a bit sweeter, maybe should have waited a day or two. Not much flavor. Now the organic one, you can see it also has some fibers. This is a really good one, folks. I guess by now it's perfectly ripe. Look, just orange and red colors. Nice and soft. More sweet than this one, a bit more flavor than this one. Yeah, I think the organic ones clearly wins in this case, but mostly because it's a bit more ripe. This one, well, probably was picked a bit more underripe. I think even if you picked an unorganic mango as ripe as this one and waited a couple of days, it would have the same taste. So yeah, the organic mango tastes better, but it also looks better and more ripe, so it's totally understandable that it tastes better. But still, I can explain it away, but in this case, really the organic mango was tastier. So folks, this was a comparison between an organic and an inorganic mango. Stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the beautiful country of Germany, which gets fruit from a lot of other beautiful countries. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.